Hey guys, how are we all doing from the community quarantine? Still doing okay? But just hang in there, okay? I know it sucks, but that's how it is. So as of today, I'm planning to make my own version of adobo. So if you have time in there, you could probably follow my recipe. Okay? Los kids. So these are my ingredients. We have ginger, garlic, and onions. And of course, the chicken sauteed in its own oil, plus some ginger to remove the pungent smell. And I marinated it with soy sauce. Speaking of soy sauce, this is what I use. So I suggest if you go to the Asian store, select Silver Swan, Dato Puti, or Marca Leon. Anything Filipino. That'd be the best for this one. I'm also using Silver Swan vinegar. I also put a little bit of brown sugar in there as well. A little bit of pepper is always good. And normally I add a little bit of bay leaves, but I don't have, unfortunately, as of the moment, so sucks. But since I'm feeling a little extra today, I'm adding a little bit of bell pepper and some chopped mushrooms. Some people would even add sometimes pineapples or potatoes. It really depends on what you want, but a plain chicken will do just fine. So let's start with a little bit of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, by the way. Then the garlic. The onions, and the ginger. Next would be my marinated chicken. If you could just smell this, guys, it's heavenly. The reason why I added the ginger in there was to remove the pungent smell of the chicken. It's a life hack right there that I thought that you should just know. Now that this is almost glazed, so this is the time right here that we pour in the water. That's to prepare its sauce. Then we add the soy sauce. And the vegetables. When it's almost all done, let's pour in the vinegar. The brown sugar. Let it all soak in, everything. Last would be the pepper. I love pepper. But since I'm in the mood for something spicy today, I'll add some paprika. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I want it hot. And since I have 3 boiled eggs, I figured I might just add them in here. And it's done. Let's turn this off. So here it is, guys, my chicken adobo. Don't forget to tag me if you're planning to follow my recipe. So until then, tschüss mga unta.